Let me show you how I made these custom brass hanging racks for my friend Ricky TV and his client at Paper Doll Vintage. So this is 1-inch thin wall brass tube, and I'm going to be bending it over on my hydraulic bender. This is a Rogue Fabricators bender. It does a great job bending this material around a 6-inch centerline radius die. Now I'm over on the fixture table setting up some extension blocks so that I can let these bars hang over the edge and not twist. And here I'm going to just be cutting down another piece of tube to act as a center section to mend these together and get this long bend that we need to perfectly fit the shelves that Ricky built. Now, we could have tried to weld this, and unfortunately I couldn't bend them in one piece given the length, so I made some custom 7/8 aluminum bungs that would go in between and inside the brass tube, and then I could drill and tap to make sure everything's locked in place. Now, this was also important for Ricky to be able to take these apart if he needed to get them to fit in the exact right location. Now, I decided to use the magnetic drill here and just keep everything on the fixture table to keep it nice and flat and square. This worked out really well. I drilled everything, then I brought my tapping arm over and I tapped it with 1/4-20 with a blind tap, and then I put some Allen head screws in there. Now, these were a little long, so we wound up getting shorter ones that fit nice and blended in, and by doing this on each of the sections in 2 locations, they were able to be really strong and sturdy, and once they were bolted together, they worked out great. You can see them here in the store, and go check out Ricky and the Paper Doll Vintage Instagram to see more.